6. Look after yourself. If you love yourself, then you will instantly look after yourself. This indicates trying to remain healthy, get enough sleep, go get massages, escape to a bubble bath, or maybe a ladies' night out. You require to feed your soul in other methods outside of your relationship, otherwise you will not have anything delegated provide. Do not be a people pleaser. Many females erroneously believe that if they please other individuals, then they will automatically love them. This could not be farther from the fact. A great deal of individuals will make the most of you if you provide too much of yourself. Rather, pursue a healthy balance of being selfless and selfish. Relationships are a two-way street. 8. Speak your mind. When I say, speak your mind, I mean doing it carefully and calmly. Do not suppress your unfavorable or positive feelings. Let them out. Talk with your partner about any problems you are having. Attempt to see yourself as a group and solve the problems together. 9. Don't avoid problems. Nobody truly likes conflict. Well, perhaps there are some individuals who do, however, usually speaking, a lot of people do not. So, what takes place a great deal of the time is they go into avoidance mode. This does not work. If you prevent issues from many years upon years, well, they are going to stack up. 10. Make time for your partner. I know I stated to have your own life and some self-reliance, however, on the other side, you can't spend excessive time alone, or with other individuals, since then the relationship could die. But here's the kicker: in order to get regard, you require to provide respect. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.